Mexico has just sent shockwaves through the U.S. auto industry, making a bold move that could significantly impact American automakers. For years, Mexico has been a key manufacturing hub for U.S. car companies, with brands like Ford, GM, and Stellantis relying on Mexican factories for cost-effective labor and efficient production. But now Mexico has introduced new policies that could reshape the industry, leaving American automakers searching for solutions. At the center of this shift is Mexico's updated trade policies and regulations aimed at boosting its own auto industry. The Mexican government is now adjusting exports of crucial auto parts and increasing tariffs on certain U.S.-made vehicles, which could make it more expensive for American car manufacturers to operate in the country. This change comes amid ongoing trade discussions and economic adjustments, potentially disrupting long-established supply chains. The impact of this decision is significant. Over 80% of all cars produced in Mexico are exported to the United States, meaning any change in production or trade could ripple through the entire North American auto market. The U.S. auto industry, already facing rising costs, supply chain challenges, and increased competition, must now navigate another major shift that could affect vehicle pricing and production rates. For companies like Ford, General Motors, and Tesla, this presents a new challenge. These automakers have invested heavily in Mexican production plants, leveraging the country's strong manufacturing infrastructure. With these new trade adjustments, companies must decide whether to absorb additional costs, adjust pricing, or explore alternative production strategies, all of which require careful planning. One major concern is the impact on electric vehicle (EV) production. The push for electrification has already strained global supply chains, with battery materials and semiconductors in high demand. Mexico's latest trade changes could add further complexity to EV manufacturing, potentially influencing the rollout of new models and their affordability for consumers. The key question now is, how will the U.S. auto industry respond? Will manufacturers shift more production domestically despite higher costs? Will new trade agreements be explored to balance industry needs? Or will automakers seek alternative solutions to maintain stability in the market? One thing is clear: this marks an important moment for the North American auto industry. As Mexico updates its trade approach and U.S. automakers adapt to new challenges, the future of car manufacturing is evolving. If solutions aren't found soon, consumers may see changes in vehicle availability and pricing. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.